What if I told you this entire vlog, the coffee scenes, the slow-mo beat, everything was generated with zero camera, zero actors, and just a few words of text? That's VO3, Google's AI video generator that lets you create full-on cinematic vlogs with nothing but prompts. And in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use VO3 step by step. So, what is VO3? VO3 is Google's next-gen AI video model, capable of generating 1080p cinematic videos from a single prompt. It understands cinematic language, not just show me a cat on a street, but things like a slow tracking shot of a surfer at golden hour. Think of it as Mid-Journey meets Hollywood. And the best part, right now it's free. And yes, you can use it for free with the artist sharing. So simply come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description, and you'll come on this flow website. And let's move on to the third section, which is how to write powerful blog prompts. And this is where most people fuck it up. This is where most people mess up. You can't just write a guy walking on a beach. You need to think like a cinematographer. Here's some cool cinematic level vlog prompts that works perfectly in views. So the video is generated. Let's see what it needs. As you can see, you can't even guess that it's if it's made with AI or a professional camera. I mean, from the lighting to camera movement, everything is literally perfect. Okay, let's try another one. This VO3 can even color read the video at its peak. Now, literally, just look at this color reading. The perfect color read. Obviously, I have provided that in the from the Moody ambience. You'll have to give it the prompt, and it will shock you. Its best type. And here's some tips. Always include short type like POV, drone, over the shoulder, and lighting and mood, scene, scene dynamics like movement, atmosphere, inspiration. Inspiration, example, inspired by Wes Anderson, etc. And you can remix these or layer multiple prompts to build sequence. Once your prompt is ready, just paste it inside video effects. You will get options like length. It easily takes 1 to 2 minutes to render, and the results you have already saw them. Shockingly cinematic, especially with well-structured prompts. You can watch them, simply download them from here. And here's the real kick. You don't need a camera anymore to create stories visually. You need taste plus prompts plus imagination. View 3 is giving everyday creators like you and me tools that were once locked behind red cameras and 10% crews. If you're into blog style editing, cinematic storytelling, or building a content library without ever filming, Veo is a game changer. Drop your wildest vlog, the comments, and I'll generate the best one and feature it in the next video. Subscribe if you're serious about mastering AI, tools for editing, filmmaking, and storytelling. And I'll see you in my next one.